Hey guys, what's up? So just a few days ago, we had got our first official renders of the Galxay Note20 Ultra in mystic bronze color from Samsung's Russian website, and now we have got our first real-life look at the Note20 Ultra in black color. The images have been posted on Twitter by YouTuber Jimmy is Promo, and we can see the phone from almost every angle. If you remember, the Galaxy S20 series had also leaked around the same time before launch, so it seems like this may be the real deal. Also, it matches perfectly with the official renders seen on the Russian website, except the color. The phone can be seen in black color, which has a gloss finish, so if you like gloss packs, you can go for the black color, and if you prefer a matte finish, you may get the bronze. These seem to be the only two colors available at launch, while more colors may be offered later. We can also see the camera setup on the back, which has 4 cameras, which may include the 108 megapixel main camera, along with the 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 13 megapixel periscope camera with up to 50x zoom. The fourth sensor on the right could be the laser autofocus unit, which is said to be equipped on the phone to eliminate the autofocus issues faced with the S20 Ultra, but it may be the 3D time of flight sensor. We can't be sure as of now. What we can be sure is that the phone won't suffer from the same camera issues as the S20 Ultra. On the front, we have the Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a smaller punch hole, a slimmer bezel and a more square design compared to the Note 10 Plus. Well, we can't be sure of the curvature of the display just yet, but it does appear to be slightly more curved than the Note 10 Plus's display, but it's still nowhere close to the previous Note phones. The power and volume buttons also seem to be moved on the right side of the phone, which is a welcome change, while the S Pen and the loudspeaker have moved to the left of the charging port, according to the YouTuber. It indeed looks beautiful, but I am digging the bronze color more than the black one, particularly due to the matte finish. I didn't like the previous bronze color on Note 9, so it is saying something. That being said, what would you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section. The US versions of the phone with model number SMN986U and SMN986U1, which depict the carrier and the unlocked variant respectively, have passed through the FCC certification process, revealing that the smartphone will use Qualcomm's SM8250 modem, which is a part of the Snapdragon 865 SoC and helps with the 2G, 3G and 4G connectivity, while 5G may be taken care by the SDX55M modem. It's nothing new, as we already know that the smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus. It will of course have both millimeter wave and sub 6 GHz 5G along with Wi-Fi 6 and all the other premium features. The phone will run Android 10 based on the latest One UI 2.5 skin, which should debut in August as well. Also in the news, the Galaxy Fold 2 might not be called the Fold 2 after all. The phone may instead be branded as the Galaxy Z Fold 2, as Samsung will group all the foldable smartphones under the Z branding. This doesn't come as a surprise, as the company had already confirmed back in February that it had chosen to brand its foldable device portfolio as the Galaxy Z, which just streamlines the foldable phones from Samsung and consolidates them under one brand. Also, the specifications of the Galaxy Watch 3 have leaked. The Watch 3 will reportedly use the same 10nm Exynos 9110 processor as the Galaxy Watch Active 2 with 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. Both the 41mm and the 45mm variants might use a circular Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360. It will come with Tizen OS 5.5 and One UI 2.0 interface on top. We can also expect NFC loudspeaker, a health sensor along with 5W wireless charging. We also have some of the new watch faces offered with the watch courtesy of Eve Leaks and a new weather watch face that could change according to the weather around you. The Watch 3 may also support wrist gestures to control various aspects of the software, such as a bump may allow to receive a call, while shaking the hand may reject the call. It may also support a gesture that would allow users to automatically activate Bixby when the watch is brought near the face. It should be available in Wi-Fi only and LTE variants and come in stainless steel and titanium finishes. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the design of the Note 20 Ultra. Smash the like button if you like the video. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.